Our topic for today is metabolic acidosis. It's very important topic and needs a lot of understanding. If the pH is less than 7.35 and bicarb is less than 24, consider metabolic acidosis. Next step is to calculate anion gap if it is metabolic acidosis. Anion gap is sodium minus bicarbonate plus chloride. Normal anion gap is less than 12. If anion gap is raised, then calculate delta ratio, which is the change in anion gap divided by change in bicarbonate. Normal delta ratio is 1 to 2. If the delta ratio is more than 2, then concurrent metabolic alkalosis is present. If the delta index, which is ratio, is less than 1, then concurrent anion gap metabolic acidosis is present. Another point is delta gap. Delta gap is the change in an anion gap minus change in bicarb. If the delta gap is more than 6, then there is a concurrent metabolic alkalosis. If the delta gap is 6, there is no other metabolic disorder. If the delta gap is less than 6, then there is a concurrent non-anion gap metabolic acidosis. In metabolic acidosis, respiratory compensation occurs. To calculate compensation, formula is as follows. PCO2 equal 1.5 into change in bicarbonate plus 8. Add and subtract 2 whatever value comes from the above equation. If the actual measure value of PCO2 matches the value calculated from the formula, then appropriate compensation is present. If it does not match, then additional respiratory acidosis or alkalosis is present. Thank you, and please subscribe to the channel.